हेलो फ्रेंड्स। इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 12th इंग्लिश का चैप्टर बॉक्स एंड कॉक्स के तीन इंपॉर्टेंट करेक्टर स्केच ऑफ बॉक्स, करेक्टर स्केच ऑफ कॉक्स एंड करेक्टर स्केच ऑफ मिसेस बाउंसर को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। शुरू करते हैं सबसे पहले करेक्टर स्केच ऑफ कॉक्स। कॉक्स इज वन ऑफ द टू लॉजर्स ऑफ मिसेस बाउंसर। ही इज अ hatter. He works in the daytime in a hat shop. He is very polite. The barber has given him a bad haircut. Instead of losing his temper on the barber, he decides not to have haircut again. He does not enjoy a comfortable sleep at night because he does not have a good pillow. He requests Mrs. Bouncer to supply him a bigger and better pillow. He also invites the attention of Mrs. Bouncer to the fact that his coals gets consumed remarkably fast. He never becomes rude. He makes his complaint about his room being full of smoke in a very polite way. He is a picture of politeness. Next paragraph है. He has a very good sense of humor. He talks with Mrs. Bouncer and is laced with humor. His remarks about his haircut are very humorous. He thinks that he has been cropped for the militia or mowed like a lawn. His remarks about his bolster having about handful and half of feathers at each end is also humorous. He complains that his candle, sugar, wood and matches are consumed very fast. When Mrs. Bouncer asks him if he suspects her of having stolen them, he said that he did not suspect her, but he also adds that the cat could not have taken them. His remarks about the direction taken by smoke is also humorous. For his politeness and humor, he is a likable character. He seems to be the life of the play. यह था करेक्टर स्केच ऑफ कॉक्स। आई होप आप सभी को अच्छी तरह से समझ आ रहा होगा जो भी हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट है करेक्टर स्केच ऑफ बॉक्स। Box is the second male character in the play. He is a lodger of Mrs. Bouncer. He works in a newspaper press. He goes for night duty. He does not come back till the morning. He rarely meets Cox. He's a bit short-tempered. He is rude. Mrs. Bouncer put Mr. Cox things out of Mr. Box things. She puts the key where Cox always finds it. Mr. Box smokes very frequently when he is off duty. Mr. Cox has complained to Mrs. Bouncer that he finds his room always full of tobacco smoke. Mrs. Bouncer tells him that he should not lose his temper so soon. He tells Mrs. Bouncer to mind his own business. When Mrs. Bouncer tries to talk with him, he expresses his desire to go to bed. Next, he wants her to leave his room. Mrs. Bouncer tells him not to smoke frequently. Box has no intention to stop smoking. He tells Mrs. Bouncer to ask Cox to find accommodation elsewhere. He is not willing to tolerate any obstacle in the way of his smoking. He warns Mrs. Bouncer if he makes any attempt to stop him from smoking, he would leave her room and go elsewhere. It shows that he is very firm, rude and ill-tempered. He is of the view that Mrs. Bouncer steals his coal, candles and sugar. He quarrels with Cox, who happened to return from duty on account of a sudden holiday. There is an exchange of hot words between the two lodgers. Each claims to be the rightful lodger. Mrs. Bouncer stands exposed. She admits that both are the lodgers of the room. She explains to both how both of them are the lodgers of the same room. Then the farce comes to an end. Okay. Next is a character sketch of Mrs. Bouncer. Mrs. Bouncer was a landlady. She owned an apartment. She rented out one room to two tenants. They were Box and Cox. One was a printer and worked at night. The other was a hat maker and worked during daytime. Both did not meet each other. Thus, the clever Mrs. Bouncer was able to get two rents for one room. Second paragraph, Mrs. Bouncer was rather greedy. The nature of the jobs of a tenant made it easy for her to deceive them. She got the double rent, but soon she had to face some problems. The two lodgers began suspecting that their things such as candles, sugar, matchstick were being consumed in their absence. Actually, Mrs. Bouncer did not do any such thing. As soon as one lodger left, she removed his things out of other tenant's sight. This created confusion. Mrs. Bouncer was basically a good lady, but for her lust for money, for that she gets humiliated. She is a nice lady who is able to accommodate two tenants in one room through her cleverness. We should give her credit. We should give her credit for continuing to deceive two men. इस वीडियो में हम कैरेक्टर स्केच बॉक्स एंड कॉक्स एंड मिसेस बाउंसर को डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। आई होप आप सभी को समझ आ चुका होगा। इस चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की वीडियो का लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेगा। और आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करना और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।